Welcome all of you to my VBSM Academy, School of Arts and Science, Gopanahalli. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya on behalf of Gopanahalli Employees Association, serving my village and rural Karnataka. Yes, my dear friends, COVID is a very, very dangerous situation of the present condition of the world today in India as well as in Karnataka or in even all the villages of the Karnataka. Due to COVID-19, the schools and colleges were closed, due to which the education of the students becoming worsening day by day, for which the VVSM Academy is planning to solve the problems of rural Karnataka, particularly to my village Gopanhalli, Chalakare, Taluk, Chitradurga district and all the students of rural Karnataka. I, Veerabhadraya Demaya Vision Village Schoolmaster Academy, inviting with zeal, with a mission, with a vision. Please come with wholeheartedly in my VVSM program to achieve successful goals in your educational avenues. Come on, friends, let us get together with a School of Arts and Science, a mission with a vision. Come on, my dear students of Gopanhalli, every day please follow up your studies with the following disciplines. Fresh up early in the morning, attend your work, say good morning to your parents and elders. Be a good citizen of India. Cell biology is the study of cell structure, function, and it revolves around the concept the cell is a fundamental unit of life. Focusing on the cell permits a detailed understanding of the tissues and organisms that cells compose. A cell consists of three parts, as I told you. A cell membrane, number 2, nucleus, number 3, cytoplasm. Between 1 and 2, within the cytoplasm lie intricate arrangements of fine fibers and hundreds of even thousands of miniscule but distinct structures called organelles. Cell membrane location. The cell membrane is the outer layer of the cell. It surrounds the whole body of the cell. Structure composed by phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Function. It controls what is allowed to enter and exit the cell. It also keeps unwelcome particles from entering the cell. It guards our toxins from the outside, you see. This we will discuss later. Nucleus location. The nucleus is found in the cytoplasm. It is usually said to be at the center of the cell, but this is not always true. The nucleus can be anywhere inside a cell. Structure. The nucleus consists of phospholipid bilayer with a dense region known as the nucleolus. The nucleus and the nucleolus contain the chromosomes of a cell. Function. The nucleus contains the chromosomes DNA. Abbreviated stands for DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It controls all of the cell's functions. Cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm, by intricate arrangement to fine fibers and hundreds of even thousands of minuscule but distinct structures called organelles. Location. The cytoplasm is located inside the cell. It is enclosed by the cell membrane. Structure. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. All of the membrane-bound organelles are located in the cytoplasm. Function. The cytoplasm holds all the membrane-bound organelles that a cell contains. It is responsible for cushioning and protecting the membrane-bound organelles. This is the table. It is a compendium, a synchronized table of all the things what I said just now. Please see the table carefully and study well. These are the important organelles of the cell. Cell biology. Let us have a brief look on the cell biology. I am giving a brief introduction, or you can say the important things of the cell biology. You know, my dear friends, cell biology is the study of the cell structure and function, and it involves around the concept that is cell, the fundamental unit of life. Focusing on the cell permits a detailed understanding of the tissues and organelles that cells compose. A cell consists of three parts, as I told you. Therefore, let us discuss about the unicellular organisms or single cell with multicellular organisms, a large number of cells. Unicellular organisms are believed to be one of the earliest forms of life on Earth. Eventually, more complex multicellular organisms evolved from these unicellular life forms over the aeons. Multicellular organisms have specialized cells with the complicated cell organelles which unicellular organisms typically lack. In the ecosystem, plants have the role of producers while animals have taken a role of consumers. In the nature, production and consumption is going simultaneously, continuously in the form of a life cycle. Hence, their daily activities and functions vary, so do their cell structure. Cell structure and organelles vary in plants and animals, and they are primarily classified based on their function. Therefore, my dear friends, the difference in that cell composition is the reason behind the difference between plants and animals, their structure and functions. Each cell organelle has particular function to perform. So, of all the cell organelles are present in both plant cell and animal cell, while others are unique to just one. Most of the Earth's higher organisms are eukaryotes, including all plant and animals. Hence, these cells share some similarities typically associated with eukaryotes. For example, all eukaryotic cells consists of a nucleus, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, peroxisomes, mitochondria, lysosomes, and other cell organelles. My dear friends, mitochondria is very important, a unique organism in the cell. Therefore, it is called the powerhouse of the cell. C cell is, further I told you, it is a plant cell and animal cell. This is animal cell. This is plant cell. So both the things that is common from animal cell and plant cell are the nucleus and cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria. These are all common things, but only the different things are cell wall, chloroplast, vacuole. Cell wall, chloroplast, vacuole are present in plant cell only. These things are absent in animal cell. Thus, the main difference between animal cell and plant cell. Distinguish between animal cell and plant cell. Try to remember common things. If you remember, that is enough. The remaining things, plant cell, if you remember, that's how you have to buy it and practice the things. Write a neat diagram of animal cell and plant cell in the examination. And distinguish between the animal cell and plant cell is another question like this. Okay. Thank you. See you again in the next class. Take care. Don't bother about the corona. Concentrate on your studies. Wear masks, sanitizers, and avoid dirty places. That is, people are getting together like a sandy. Can't carry something matra hope battery.